Hi, this is Eric Turnipseed, the Director of Channel Sales with RedHorse Systems. And in this video, we're going to take a look at custom contact or account details in RedHorse CRM. A detailed record is a one-to-many relationship where you can store information that is specific to a contact or an account and store as many of those as you need. So in my RedHorse system, we're going to be using RedHorse CRM Complete, which has all the features turned on, and I have all the tabs turned on. You, of course, can turn on or turn off buttons and tabs by user. I'm currently looking at Christine's contact record, and I can see from the Details tab she doesn't currently have any details associated with her contact record. So I'm going to add a detailed record just by clicking the Add button. And I get a drop-down of available details. Now you can specify this list to what you want it to be, but for this demo I'm going to use the RedHorse license number and store information. Now when I pick that, you can see the screen changes, and now I have different fields available to me. I can pick what type of RedHorse CRM license they have. I can put in the license number information or any detailed notes that I want to type here. And I can also pick a maintenance renewal date for this particular license number. Once I have all my fields saved, completed, I can save that information. I can mark it private if I choose, and I can save and close that. Now that detailed record is available to me on her contact record. It would also be available to me on her account record. So if I was to jump to Farka Photography, I can see that same detailed record that is in there for Christine. Now, how do these records get created, and what are your options when creating a custom detail? Well, RedHorse, just to get you started, gives you a fairly large list of fields available for you in the contact detail area. So we give you a detail type, a description, a notes field. You have up to 20 text fields that you can use for your custom detail. You can see that these are all variable character fields, and they're 50 in length and 10 in length. We also give you 5 integer fields, some numeric fields, date fields, another note field, and some Boolean fields. So you can use these fields when you go to create your custom detailed record. Now, how do I do that? Once I have a detailed record created, the administrator, the RedHorse administrator, can come in and modify how that screen looks. So if I go into the admin screen or the admin tool, I can manage my contact details from the contact settings or my account details from the account settings. I'm just going to go into the contact settings because that's where we currently have that RedHorse license number detailed screen. And for my field views, I can go into my detailed views, and you can see I have a handful of views here of different detail types. Now I can also make that a tab if I so choose. So a custom detail could also be a tab on the contact record that you can see that data without having to go to the Details tab. So if I want to look at my current design, I can click on my Design button, and this currently shows me my design of the detailed screen for the RedHorse software license information. So let's say I'm just going to make some changes to this so you can kind of see what this does. I'm going to change the text here and call it RedHorse CRM. I'm going to go in and make a change to the background color, and we'll pick a different color like a corn silk. And I'll save that, and we'll just add another field just to see that. We'll go in here and copy and then paste another field. And we'll just make a quick change here. We'll point to a text field that we have available. Again, all these fields are already in the table, and I'll just populate, go here to this text field, and maybe I can put in here comments or whatever I wanted to do. I'll make this field a little longer to see some of the data. So I've just made a few changes to the contact detail. I'm going to save that. And now I should be able to see those changes when I close and reopen the contact window. So I have Christine's contact window open. I'm going to close the contact window because I've made a structural change to the view. Now when I open that contact window back up, and now if I go in and look at her detailed record, I can see that I have the changes that I've made. It says I have my comment field, I have my color, and I have something going on here. Oh, I can see I didn't change the text color. That's why it's coming through white. That's a quick change. Go back into the admin tool, my field views, detailed field views, double click that. And right here on this text, on this frame, I need to make that black or whatever color I want. Now I can save and close the contact window, go back in. And again, I'm having to do that because I've made a structural change. Now when I open this up, there I can see my custom detail has the information, the color, and the extra field. So you can have full control over custom details. You can put whatever fields you want on the custom detail. You can design the screen. You can color code the screen. You can do a lot with the tools built into RedHorse. No need for any external or third-party tools to get to a contact detail or an account detail. Thank you.